Imagine if all the repetitive tasks in your business could happen automatically without you lifting a finger. That's exactly what workflow automation is. Workflow automation is the process of using software to automatically complete tasks, move information between apps, and trigger actions based on specific rules. Instead of doing repetitive work manually, you create a workflow once, and the system handles it for you. Let's look at a simple example. A customer fills out a contact form on your website. Without automation, you would need to manually check the form, send a reply, add the customer to your CRM, and notify your team. With workflow automation, all of these actions happen automatically within seconds. The form submission triggers a workflow. The customer receives a welcome email. Their information is added to your CRM. Your team gets a notification, and everything happens without manual work. Businesses use workflow automation for customer support, marketing, sales, invoicing, employee onboarding, social media management, and much more. Popular automation tools include Zapier, N8N and Microsoft Power Automate. The biggest benefits are saving time, reducing human errors, increasing productivity, and allowing teams to focus on higher value work. In today's digital world, workflow automation is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for businesses that want to scale faster and operate more efficiently. And this is just the beginning. Modern automation tools can now connect with AI, allowing workflows to make decisions, generate content, answer customer questions, and perform tasks that once required human involvement. If you'd like to learn how to build AI powered workflows yourself, check out our free N8N and Zapier courses linked in the playlist. And for more videos on AI, automation, and the latest tech tools, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.